Oh, the flavour combination. The dates, the cream cheese, the bacon, the chili glaze. That is a huge winner. Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to do what was around a couple of years ago, and it was big time. Everybody used to make it. Now it's not been made for a little while, so I'm going to bang it on the channel. We're going to stuff these dates. Okay, we've got some dates here, and what we're going to do, take the stone out. We're going to stuff it with cream cheese. You can stuff it with goat's cheese or anything like that. Wrap it in bacon, and we'll shove it in the air fryer. Now these make absolutely fantastic party nibbles. Really, really nice. So let's crack on. Take the stones out, open it up, stuff it with cream cheese, wrap it with bacon, and cook it in the air fryer. Let's do it. Okay, so this is straightforward. Then we want to get the stone out of there. So I've got a sharp knife, and all we're going to do is we're going to slit open our date. Just open it up. We want that stone out of there. So that's all we're doing. We're taking the stone out, and we've got a nice open date, which we are going to stuff with cream cheese. So just put that to one side, and what we'll do is we'll just crack on with all our dates. Open our dates up, take our stone out. Nothing hard about it, really simple, quick and easy, and it's a delicious nibble. So that's our stones out of there. Just need to get rid of those. We don't want any of those. Don't want that breaking the old tooth job. So just throw those away. Right, so this can't get any simpler, this. Okay, it's easy. All we're going to do is open our date up like that. I want to stuff it full of cream cheese. Now you can use any cheese you want, but if you use cheddar or anything like that, it all melts out. So use a cream cheese or a goat's cheese. So I've got some on the back of a spoon, and we are just going to stuff that in there. Get a little bit more in there. So we're just going to repeat that with all the dates, and then we'll wrap it in bacon. Last one. Now they look fabulous. Right, so what we're going to do now, we're actually going to take some streaky bacon, and we're going to wrap the dates. So let's just move those to one side. So there's our date, and all we're going to do is we're going to take our bacon and we're going to wrap it around our date. Now wrap it any which way you can. We get it wrapped up, and then we're going to take a toothpick or a cocktail stick, whatever you know and buy, and we're going to stick through so our bacon stays on our date. So we got this bacon parcel wrapped around our date. So we just put that to one side, and we'll crack on and do some more. Okay, so there's our dates wrapped up there. All we need to do now is bob them on a tray and get them in the air fryer. Okay, so we'll just get them in there like that. Perfect. So all we're going to do is we're going to bob those in the air fryer, 180, about 6 minutes. Then we're going to turn them over 4 minutes on the other side, and that will be done. There we go. Now you could bob them straight in the air fryer, but I've got them in this little tray because don't forget bacon does leak a little bit. So in, on, 180. Six minutes. In 6 minutes time, we'll turn them all over, put them back in for 4 minutes. Now they are looking superb. All we need to do now is turn them all over and put it back in again. So that's them all turned over. We get them back in, another 5 minutes. Oh, look in there. Just look in there. They look fabulous. Right, now what we're going to do, we're going to make a really quick honey and sweet chili glaze. I'm going to take some sweet chili sauce, put that in there, and we're just going to give that a mix through. And then all we're going to do, we're going to drizzle a bit on our stuffed dates, and we're going to put it back in again for about 2 minutes. So we'll get that back in about 2 minutes. Oh, don't they look fabulous? Right, all we need to do is get them out of there and get them onto a serving plate. It's dead easy to do as well because you only have to pick up the stick. Oh, look at those. And then if you've got a little bit of that glaze left, oh, over the top, just a little drizzle, nothing special, don't make it too much. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, you're ready for this? We gotta give this a go. Let's pull that stick out of there. And I think this is gonna be hot. Oh man. Oh man. That is absolutely amazing. Oh, the flavour combination. The dates, the cream cheese, the bacon, the chili glaze. That is a huge winner. That really is superb. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe. Share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. We'll catch you in the next video.